IBG is up over a whopping 200% at the time of recording this video, sitting at approximately $1.65. But can this ticker go ahead and build on these gains, or is this a ticker we should be locking in profits from and walking away immediately? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing IBG and where do I see this ticker heading from here on out. Now, before we begin, guys, just a quick reminder for every person that hits that thumbs up button, we will be releasing one child from our basement. You heard that right, okay? Now, moving on, let's talk about IBG. So, in order to anticipate where a ticker is heading from the levels that it's sitting at right now, especially a ticker which has already gone so parabolic, right, intraday, we need to analyze what is causing this move. So we can analyze whether or not this is a catalyst that actually has longevity, meaning that it actually has strength to continue building upon, or is this just a nothing burger catalyst, as we would call it, meaning that it's here today, gone tomorrow. In the case of IBG, IBG did have some massive news last week, but unfortunately, right now, there's absolutely no news that is causing this upside movement, right, to the upside. Now, when we go ahead to the company, right, and when we look at the recent news, there's really nothing. When we go ahead and when we look at their filings, we see that there's really no new filings when it comes to this company either, right? Their last filing was actually on their 6K on March 27th, right, which was about last week or so, right? So there's really no new earnings, there's no new filings, there's no news, nothing like that, right? But the stock is still going absolutely parabolic to the upside, right, causing a lot of people to just jump on, considering how volatile this ticker is. Again, you guys need to understand that majority of the traders, guys, that do trade these penny stocks are beginner traders that don't really understand how the markets work. So they think that just because something is green, it's going to continue being more green and green, right? They think that green leads to green. But the reality is that just as fast as these moves come, just as fast they fade away. So it's really essential for us to actually have conviction behind our plays when it comes to trading these tickers. Now, from a technical perspective, the stock does have a strong level of resistance at approximately $1.80, right? When we go over here, we see that the bottom set of these candles is $1.80 right over here, right? $1.80. Now, if we do get a rejection at $1.80, we're probably going to be dipping all the way down to potentially $1.42-ish, right, at market open. And then from here, we could potentially see a squeeze all the way upwards of $2.30. Now, I doubt the stock is going to break its all-time highs and go all the way upwards of $3.30 or whatnot, right? But again, at the end of the day, you never know, right? You never know what happens with these tickers, man. And I'm telling you guys, personally, as someone who's been trading for a very long time, when it comes to a ticker that is so freaking volatile, right, that doesn't only have a market cap of $4 million, you never know what's really going to happen next, right? I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of the day, the ticker goes ahead and actually tests $2.30 or even the $3 levels. But again, I think that we're probably going to be in for a rude awakening when it gets to $3, and we're probably going to get a massive dump down to $2.30. But if you're going to play this ticker, this would be my advice for you guys. When it comes to playing tickers that are so volatile, what you want to be doing, guys, is you want to go ahead and you actually want to use less size, but with a wider stop loss. So many people are used to using the same position sizing when it comes to every single trade they take. But this is actually absolutely wrong, because no two same trades have the same risk assorted to them, right? So instead of going ahead and, let's say, using $5,000 with a 10% stop loss, go ahead and use $2,500 with a 20% stop loss, right? So you're risking the same $500, but what you're doing is that you're allowing for the stock's volatility to go ahead and actually help you and, you know, not be so decisive of a quick little dip as a direction change, right? Because when you look at this ticker, right, when you look at it just from this price action, right, it dumped from $1.76 down to $1.56, and then it went back to $1.76. So imagine you had like a 10% stop loss or 20% stop loss even, right? You would have gone and stopped out while it's probably going to continue going upwards, right? Now, we did get somewhat of a double top at $1.76-ish, but we are around the 7 a.m. merge, right? The 7 a.m. merge, what the 7 a.m. merge is, guys, is that there's a lot of trading platforms that actually don't allow you to trade before 7 a.m. So we do see a lot more volume pouring in at 7 a.m. So I do anticipate probably an uptick, right, when it comes to this ticker. Again, the test of $1.80, man, that $1.80 level is going to be extremely important. And I don't like seeing a double top over here. And the shooting star candle is not a good look. Reverse shooting star candle is not a good look for this ticker. But again, it's way too soon to call it because the markets aren't even open. But for me, I think that this is a ticker that does have a lot of opportunity. However, it is extremely overextended based off of the fact that it has no news, right? There's really no news when it comes to this ticker. And I think that when it comes to these tickers, man, just as fast as they come, just as fast they fade away, right? And I think that that's something that you need to consider and understand, okay, well, is it really worth me going ahead and trading this ticker when it's already already so freaking overextended to the upside and it really has no news? Or should I just go ahead and sit on my hand and wait for a better opportunity to come across and maybe trade something else, right? For me personally, I think something else is the answer, especially above $1.70-ish, right? Above the $1.70 range, right? But I think that it depends. It all depends on what it does from here on out, because it could definitely be played as a breakout play, right? Now, there are two ways of looking at these scenarios, right? And the reason why I'm telling you guys to not buy it right now is because we have not really seen a breakout at play yet. And I think that if we do see a breakout, you're probably gonna see me react live to it right now, but it's gonna be really hard for me to alert it for you guys because I gotta edit this video and then post it for you guys. And this is why I always tell you guys to check out the Discord, right? Be in the freaking Discord, guys, because the Discord is where I'm always available and I'm always there to answer your questions when it comes to any single, trading situation. Sam, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? I'm always in there, right? So do check that out. Now, when it comes to this ticker from a volatility perspective, it's extremely volatile. I could see it pulling back all the way down to, again, $1.50-ish, right? We did get a test of $1.50. It looks good that it held $1.50. If we break below $1.50, we're probably heading all the way down to these levels at $1.43 and potentially even lower, all the way down to $1.16-ish. I wouldn't be surprised, guys, that if this ticker ends up being at $1 by the end of the day. Again, remember, it's running based off of no news. The company, right, that when it comes to the company's finances, why is my ad block on? When it comes to the company's finances, right, it's really hard for us to anticipate what they're going to do next just because they're such a new company, right? They're such a new company. We don't know if they're highly dilutive. We don't know if they're not dilutive. We just don't know because we have nothing to really base the company based off of, right? So for me, again, I'm staying on the sidelines when it comes to this ticker. Unless it's a short above $1.70, that's the trade that I would take, honestly, guys. But other than that, I would probably stay away from it. Now, with that said, again, things could change, the trends could reverse. And the thing about day trading, guys, is that you need to change your mind with the chart, right? You need to change your mind with the chart because there's many opportunities that the stock would give you, even if there's no catalyst, but those are going to be very in the moment opportunities, right? From a swing trading perspective, I don't think there's much opportunity when it comes to IBG. But again, I've been wrong before. I could be wrong. So always do whatever you like, right? Do your own research. It's your money. Now, when it comes to the trading community, guys, Top Trader Academy, right now we are having a sale for the next 10 members that join. Top Trader Academy, guys, is the only trading community that comes with a 7-day free trial and also a 30 days money back guarantee. No one else is offering that. No one else is offering a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And that's because we know what we're capable of. We know that we're really selling crack. We know that the moment you join, you're going to want to stick around forever and you're never going to want to leave, right? It's really that simple. So check it out, guys. The link is in the comment section and the description. And if you guys are interested, do check it out. Again, right, what I would do personally is I would join for the first 7 days, see if I make money. If I make money, I'll stick around. If I don't make money, I would say, bro, fuck this guy and fuck his Discord too. I'm leaving, right? But just yesterday, right, we had an amazing day, 44K for Hummingbird, guys, off of our alerts in our community, MLGO, GRIs, ICCT. And of course, look at this. This was our biggest win yet. This was our biggest win yet on from a member, right? $114,000 on this was on CSAI. We jumped in at $4.80 and we closed it above the $10 levels, bringing in a solid 120%. So we made an absolute killing on that trade, man, and I'm super glad that we did so. Now, with that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck, whether it's in trading or everyday life. I look forward to helping you guys all out in Top Trader Academy. Again, 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Right now, the next 10 members that join, 50% discount. I look forward to trading with you guys in there. We have day trade alerts, swing trades, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access. You name it, we got it. Everything that you're looking for is in one place in Top Trader Academy. Crypto, everything, options, freaking all of it. Thank you for watching. Happy for trading. Your boy Sam from Top Trader Academy.